Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here just to do a short video to share with you guys the winners of the competition that we had, and I'm so thankful for those who entered, and I'm so excited to do something like this again. Yes, we will have another giveaway. Special thanks to the owners of Just Glamorous Beauty Supplies on Instagram who decided to partner with me in doing this giveaway. I couldn't have done it without you guys, and I'm super duper 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 excited and happy at the friendship that we've built. Yeah, so I know I haven't been posting videos in a long time. Things have just been going a little bit different than the usual now, so I am out more. My schedule is a little bit different, so I'm still trying to find some time where I can make some time to post videos. But I think next week I want to do a video. I'm not going to tell you what that is as yet, so you have to keep watching. But I am here. For those of you who've wondered where I am, I'm still around. I miss YouTube. I love doing YouTube and I miss it so much. And if you see me not posting in a while, that doesn't mean I've given up or anything, so I don't want anybody to get any crazy ideas. But yeah, it's just that things are going a little bit hectic for me now. Unfortunately, I would have loved to give everybody who entered a little token or some form of appreciation gift, but unfortunately not at this time. But I'm here today to announce the winners, and yeah, we got quite a bit of persons entering, and I'm super happy and glad that those who entered decided to enter. I mean, this competition wouldn't have been anything without you guys entering, so I want to thank you guys, each and every one of you. Unfortunately, there can only be 2 winners. I am just thrilled to be doing this with them, and yeah, we came to a decision that these 2 people, I think they were honest, and one of the comments, it literally moved me to tears, where I was like, it was so relatable, because growing up things weren't always easy for us, especially this time of the year. So it was just so relatable, and that is why I feel so blessed to be in this position where I can help somebody. So oh my god. So yeah, so in second place we have Pretty Necessits Jamaica. Right, yeah, so in second place we have Pretty Necessits Jamaica, and she said, the reason why I should win this money is because it would help me to expand my business and reach further than where I am. I am a 15-year-old business owner and as well very young and ambitious young lady, so I would like to win this money and also subscribe to Jamaican Things, and I love their channel. Thank you, darling, and congratulations to you. So that's Pretty Necessits. You are the winner of $50 US. And first place, now this one is so relatable, and I was literally just moved to tears, and you could hear the sincerity in her words. And not only that, but she sounded like a well-spoken young lady, and her words are just so exquisite, just so, you know, just well put together. And congratulations to you. Twinkle Twinks on Instagram. She tagged a bunch of individuals, and she said, Jamaican things. Growing up in Jamaica in a family of 6 has never been easy, especially where the necessary resources lacked. I know many are faced with worse challenges than mine, but I beg to be impressed upon your hearts given my family's despondency. I am 18 years of age, attending one of the most prestigious high schools. I believe I am the most suitable candidate for the $100 US. Not only because I am a frequent viewer of your channel, but because I'd like for my family to have a real Christmas dinner, gas to cook on, and one of my sister's books bought that she really needs to aid in her study in economics. I didn't come with the same business claim as almost everyone here, but with a genuine need. I am humbled for this opportunity. Thank you very much. Shh, mommy's on recording. Yes, go watch Jingle Bells. Okay guys, that was my son. I took his reindeer because I wanted to have a little Christmas vibe going on for the video. So he came and asked for it. But anyway, yeah, Twinkle Twinks, girl, it is so relatable. I didn't grow up in a family of 6. We were a family of 4, and even then it was hard. I remember high school was one of my hardest times, but we made it work. We studied hard, we all went to college, and we did very well for ourselves as adults. So I would like to help you in getting your Christmas dinner and getting that book for school that your sister needs. So I'm just so honored to be a part of helping somebody, and I think you deserve it. So congratulations to you. And for those of you who were not selected as winners, please remember that if I could, every one of you would have get something, but unfortunately I cannot. And I will be having more giveaways more often, just so keep tuned, stay tuned for that. Keep looking out, keep supporting the channel. Please remember to watch the ads, guys. This is the reason why we here on YouTube do what we do. If you guys don't watch the ads, then things like this won't be possible, and it's because of you guys why I'm able to give out. So yeah, I want you guys to just drop a comment down below, give this video a huge thumbs up, share it out with your friends, and just congratulate the winners. I would have loved to give everybody something, but I can't. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to stay tuned. I have a video coming up pretty soon, so keep looking out for that one. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. And Merry Christmas. So I think it's gonna fall off. And we, Just Glamorous Beauty Supplies and we have been in communication this past week every day, trying to decide who should win, and we were just both locked on these two people. We were like, these two people.